Make money online with CPA marketing, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing with completely different strategy that you guys never seen that strategy before. So let's go. I'm going to show you that strategy. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So right now you guys can see I am in Cpagrip. So today we're going to use Cpagrip for CPA marketing. So this platform I show you in my previous videos. So we're gonna again use that exactly same platform, and Cpagrip is one of the biggest platform in CPA marketing industry, okay, if you don't know. So scroll up. So I assume like majority you have your own account of Cpagrip. If you guys don't have your own account, simply click register your account and you guys fill all your details and your account will be created instantly. So it's simple and they literally approve your account, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I have my account. I'm gonna quickly log in and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, okay. So right now you guys can see I am logging in my Cpagrip account, and you guys can see first things like these are recently added offers. These are like top performing offers. So just ignore this. We just simply go to like offers tools and just simply click on offers, and we're going to choose an offer. Click this. So now you guys can see all the offers. So you guys can see country, category, show stats. So in the first I'm gonna go and see like payout. It's like $2. So today I'm not gonna go with like United States. I found one really good offer like in Canada. I'm gonna click on Canada. So now you guys can see all the Canada offers. You guys can see the highest payout. So you guys can see highest payout is like $13.69. So it's a really good offer. You guys can see in one lead we are able to make $13 plus. But we are not going to promote this offer because you guys can see the category. In the category it says like credit card submits. Credit card submits means if someone add their credit card details in here, then we are able to make $13.69. And you guys know like not everyone is comfortable to give you your credit card details. So this offer is a little bit hard to promote, to like getting like payouts. That's why I'm not going to promote, especially for beginners. So that's why you guys must ignore this kind of offers, because people are not interested to give your credit card details. So that's why we normally ignore this kind of offers. And scroll down, we are looking for the offer that only says like add email number, this kind of offer. So you guys can see, boom, we found an offer like it says like $3.42. Same offer for desktop, mobile, and mobile reward, okay. So I'm gonna go with like desktop, and you guys can see $3.42 in every single like lead we will able to generate, okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this offer. For example, get your credit like score, and you guys can see this is the offer. Like you guys can see desktop, if someone add their email, submit something like this, and we will able to make $3.42. and this offer only works in Canada. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly copy that link. So I checked yesterday, so it's a really good offer, and I'm gonna go and promote, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote. So it's completely free. It's a credit card related offer, and it's free offer, okay. So once you got your affiliate link, copy that link, and you guys must see which is the new domain. So make sure you guys must copy the new domains, okay, only. So copy this link, and now we're gonna go and promote this offer. So let's go. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote this offer. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am in this website. So before we're gonna go and promote, I'm gonna tell you this is the website we are promoting. So our CPA link redirect to the audience and our, like you call it, traffic to this website. So you guys can see this is a site we are promoting, to be honest, and it's a like a credit card related offer. Like you guys can see, get your free credit score in Canada, sign up for free. If someone sign up for free, like means if someone sign up, we will able to make $3.42. and because it's a free sign up, like a lot of people can go and sign up, okay. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna find a targeted audience for this kind of offer. So let's go. First we came to this website, is called systeme.io, because the traffic method and all these things which I'm going to show you in this video, for these things we need a landing page, because without landing page you'll not be able to promote your direct CPA link, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on funnels quickly. I'm gonna create a landing page. Simply click create. So you guys can see I name my landing page is CPA, and click custom, click create, and add step. Quickly I'm gonna quickly do every single thing CPA, and I'm looking for the sales page quickly, and you guys can see, and click save. You guys can see a lot of templates pops up, you guys, so you guys can select any template. So normally I'm select this one, and simply click edit. So you guys can see this whole sales page or template, whatever you call, pops up. So quickly I'm gonna delete every single thing because we're gonna build our landing page from completely scratch. So quickly I'm gonna delete these things. So now you guys can see I deleted every single thing from this landing page. So what I'm gonna do quickly, first I'm gonna drag and drop that row here like this, click this and scroll down. I'm gonna click on white color and again scroll down, and you guys can see one thing is like shadow. I'm gonna go with like blurry shadow, and one last thing is like you guys can see rounded corners, so I'm gonna go with like 10. So you guys can see I added 10 in all columns, and you guys can see edges is a little bit round and it looks good. So now scroll up and click this, and you guys can drag and drop your headline. First I'm gonna quickly paste my headline H1 and copy this and scroll down. You guys can see font type, so it's super simple. I show you like a lot of the times, and I know a lot of people can easily create landing pages. Okay, so I'm gonna click this, and for example I'm gonna change the color of credit score is like green, and copy this. I'm gonna go with like 50, increase the size of this text. Okay, so now you guys can go back. I'm gonna copy these few like you call it like text, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go with like again my text, sorry, and below this main headline, and I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna copy and paste, and you guys can see this, and I'm gonna go with like bold, and now you guys can see it looks decent. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna copy and paste, sorry, drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop one image like this, and I'm gonna upload an image. So you guys can also screenshot of these images, or you guys can go to Google and find this kind of images. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly upload and then I'm gonna show you. So you guys can see I uploaded this image, so this and that image is exactly same. So I uploaded this image, click this and scroll down. You guys can see button. I'm gonna drag and drop that button here quickly and click this, and I'm gonna set it up this button first. Scroll down, and first thing is you guys can see the click here. I'm gonna add my call to action quickly. So I'm gonna simply copy and paste like free for Canada, and in here I'm gonna add like click here. Simply I'm gonna add click here, so now it looks like this. So scroll up. First I'm gonna change the like size of this text like 35, and I'm gonna also go and change the font of this text like this, and it looks good now, you guys can see. So now scroll down. Now we're gonna change the button color, so I'm gonna go with like somehow green, so it looks good. Scroll down and you guys can see the border color, and I'm gonna go with like dark green. Click this and go with like this. Okay, so now it looks good. Now you guys can see shadow. You guys can also able to add different kind of shadows, sorry. So I like this one. So now our button looks good, fine. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this background, and I'm gonna change the background color a little bit. You guys can also able to upload image, you guys can see from here, but I'm gonna go with like color right now because I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna quickly show you. Now I'm gonna click on this white background, like margin left 200%, right 200%, and now we're gonna see how our landing page looks like. So it's a complete, sorry, it's a very simple landing page. You guys can see get your free credit score in Canada, and these are the few things, image and one button. So I'm gonna add one more thing. If you scroll down, I'm gonna click this, scroll down, and I'm gonna add you call it icons. You guys can see icon selector like before. I'm gonna go with like after. Click this and scroll down a little bit, and you guys can easily find a good one. So you guys can see I find these kind of icons arrows, so I'm going to simply click this, and these are added in my button. So make sure you guys can click open URL and literally paste your Cpagrip link here. Once you paste it, now we are almost done. You guys can also add these links in these buttons if you want. Now it's completely up to you. You guys click this and simply click this and simply paste the link like this. Okay, but right now I'm not gonna paste. Now it's completely up to you. You're allowed to paste. Okay, so you guys can see it looks like this. So we are almost done. So what we're gonna do last, we're gonna simply click save changes. So I'm gonna quickly I'm gonna remove this color. This does not look good. So now you guys can see it looks good. Our landing page is very simple, basic, and it looks really good. So now we're gonna go and promote this landing page. How are we gonna promote this landing page? So let's go. We go to this website. It's called reddit.com, and I know a lot of you know about Reddit because it's one of the biggest platform right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, don't worry, we are not gonna promote organically. We're gonna simply click on advertise. Click this. So once you click on advertise, then you're able to see this kind of page. Like you guys can see new campaign, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a campaign. So quickly I'm gonna name my campaign first. Like I added CPA, my campaign name. Scroll down. Now you guys can see objective. So what is the objective we are selecting? We are going to select is like traffic. We don't need conversions, anything. We need traffic to drive into our landing page, and that landing page drive traffic to CPA offer. Okay, so that's why we need traffic, and simply click continue. And now you guys can name your ad group. So you guys can see I added my ad group name is CPA set. And now if you scroll down, first thing is you guys can see Reddit new audience, save audience, Reddit audience, like pixel. So we go with like Reddit audience. And if you scroll down, first thing is we are looking for, because we are promoting CPA offer. In CPA offer we are promoting credit card related offer, right? So you guys can click on business and finance. Once you click this, you guys can see personal finance. So simply click only personal finance. And you guys can also scroll down a little bit, and you guys can see communities. You guys can also able to type like if there is credit card communities available. So you guys can see it's available, and a lot of really big community. So we're gonna click this, and you guys can see that's the reach credit card, and we target the communities credit cards and personal finance only two. Now we scroll down, and location, so it's a very important, because we are only, our offer only works in Canada, so we only target Canada. And you guys can see don't touch anything else. Okay, then scroll down, you guys can see it says 5.5 million reach in Canada only. Now our offer only works in desktop, so I'm gonna uncheck iOS and Android. You guys can see it's little bit narrowed down, but still it's good. Now you guys can see conversations. We go with like conversation and feed both. Okay, because now it's good, it's okay. So now it's completely up to you. So I highly suggest you go with like start. If you want to run Reddit ads, spend $5. Do not spend more than $5. If you spend like more than $5, you will lose money maybe, but I highly suggest do not go with like more than $5 a day. Like if you go with like $10 a day, you guys can see you are able to get like 90 to 280 clicks. For example, I'm gonna go with like $10 a day, but you guys must go with start. If you're running ads on Reddit, start with $5. Do not spend more than $5, because there's a really high chance that if you're running your first campaign, you will learn a lot of things. That's why if you're running first few campaigns, like 6-7 campaigns, only spend $5. Do not spend more than $5. Okay, so I'm gonna go with like $10, like 90 to 280 clicks in every single in this campaign, I'm able to get. And you guys can see like continuously running, and simply click continue. Now you guys can see I'm gonna create my ad here. So my ad name is CPA ad. And if I scroll down a little bit, you guys can see first quickly I'm gonna upload an image. So you guys can see I uploaded this image, credit score. And to be honest, I literally download this image from Google and I upload it here. So you guys can see your headline. So you guys can see get your free credit score in Canada. So make sure you did not claim anything, and you are not literally spamming anything. If you did it, Google will disable Reddit will disable your account. Okay, now if you scroll down, last thing is like you're also able to add thumbnail if you want, but we are not gonna add any kind of thumbnail. Okay, so scroll down, last our call to action is learn more. And now you guys can add your link and simply click review. Okay, so that's the impression tracking URL. We are not using any tracking URL. So you guys paste your landing page URL, not affiliate link, landing page URL here, and simply click continue. Okay, so in here you guys can add your landing page URL, and in here you guys can add anything to that link. Show that link will be display URL. Okay, display URL will be changed. So I'm not gonna go into the tab. In this way you will be confused. Just paste your landing page URL, and I'm gonna paste, and quickly I'm gonna click on review. Okay, so once you pasted your landing page URL, simply click review, and you guys can see all your things that you added. You guys can see review one time, and then you guys simply click publish. So right now you guys can see our campaign is on, but status says like not delivering. Why? Oh yes, so I forgot to add my credit card, so sorry. But first thing is, once you add your credit card, it says like your campaign is reviewed. It will take up to 24 hours to approve. Once it's approved, you're able to see impressions, CPM, clicks, CPC, and CTR, all these things, amount spent. So the more clicks you're getting, the more money you will making. Remember this, okay? So with this method you will able to get cheap clicks. And one thing is, remember, do not spend more than $5 to maximum $10 in your campaign, okay? Because you're running your campaigns first time, so do not spend more than $5 or $10. Because if you're not seeing results in $5 to $10, it means you're doing something wrong, or your campaign is need to create from scratch, okay? So these are the few important things. Do not spend more than $5 to $10 in your this campaign, okay? So with Reddit ads, you guys can make money with CPA marketing. And one thing, remember, if you never run ads before, you guys do not spend more than $5 to $10, because if you don't have experience, there's a lot of high chance that you will lose that $5 to $10. And to be honest, you guys can make money with this method because we are not selling anything through that ads. We are just sending people to our CPA offer, just sign up. If someone sign up, we are making money. We are not selling anything. So in this way, your like success chances will be really high. And again, if you're not experienced guy, do not spend more than $5 to $10, because once you spend $5 $10, you will gain experience a little bit, but there's really high chance that you will lose that your $5 and $10, okay? So don't spend more than $5 to $10 and try and test that strategy if this works for you or not, okay? And one last thing is, if you are looking for making money with CPA marketing with completely free traffic method, then make sure watch this video.